Hello friends, welcome to IIC. This is Naresh Raj and today's discussion about line style and color in graph in Matlab. Let's see. So friends, in this video we will see how can we differentiate the multiple graphs in this with Matlab with the help of color changes. And let's see, first we will draw the two sine wave and another cosine wave, and we will differentiate this with the help of color and symbols. So let's see, for for plot the sine wave we have a variable t which is equal to from 0 to 1. The spacing is between this is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Then this is a spacing between these, and the value of t has been assigned, and f sorry गलत हो गया था वो. Then we one semicolon has been removed. Now this is right, and now we assume f equal to 5 hertz, and the another variable as x which is equal to sine 2 pi by f 2 pi f into t. In this, the x, the value of sine has been assigned in this x, and now another variable is y in which we assigned a value of cos type 2 pi f into t. The value of cos has been assigned into y, and now first we will plot the value of x which is a sine wave. So there is a command plot for plotting a continuous signal. Plot x with respect to t. So in this video, in this graph, we see that there is a graph of the sine wave in this blue lines, and if now we want to change the color of this sine wave, then we write a plot tx and write the b, write r for red colors, and type this and plot it, and then we see the wave of sine wave's color has been changed into red colors. And if we want to draw the sine wave with the red color, and the line will be printed on the star, as we see, then we plotted star. First we see only star, and then we will see how can we use the red and star both combine. Okay, let's see. In this, you will see that the graph of sine wave has been drawn with the help of star symbol, not a continuous sine wave. In this video you are seeing that if you want to plot this graph with the red symbol, red color, and symbol is x, then type r and type printed x and then enter, and now you will see that color of the star is red. And next, if you want to plot with the help of another symbol, this, and see, plot, I think this is not a valid symbol in this, maybe here you are seeing that the sign of this sine wave is continuous. And now we will plot cosine wave with this sine wave. So let's type plot t comma x comma red sine wave has been plotted in the red color and the cosine wave will be plotted in the green color. So type t comma y into for green write a z, and then in this figure you will see that the sine wave which is here, this red color is a sine wave and the green color is u for cosine wave. So in this video you see that how can we differentiate the two lines or two graphs with the help of colors and symbols. And now if you want to differentiate with the help of color and sine wave, we want to plot with red color and star symbol, so we write r star and green with this help of green we write a for green we write another this. There the backslash is not eligible, so we type this, and in this we will see that the sine wave has been plotted with the symbol of a star and the cosine wave which is equal to this green lines. So in this video you see that how can we specify line style in graph. And okay, thank you. Please like, comment and share and subscribe my YouTube channel Iice for new content upload. Thank you.